Hello and welcome to Sligo. My name is Melissa Mullanaphy and I'm a tour guide and historian in Sligo, and I'm delighted to be taking part in the St Patrick's Festival this year. I run walking tours in Sligo, focusing on social history and dark tales. I've always loved local history, and I recently returned to college and I'm studying historical studies, and I was able to use some of the stories that I've researched in my walking tours. I think the St Patrick's Festival is helping to shine a light on the culture and heritage we have here in Ireland. I'm making a video here today with Studio Road of highlights of my walking tour for St Patrick's Day, so I hope you enjoy it.